Okay, today we'll study text wrapping and text frame options, okay, in InDesign. So we'll create new document, all right, and I'll take from print and I will create A4 and just create a one document, all right. So we'll see how we can work with the text frame option and also text wrapping and InDesign. So I will just have a one text frame, okay, just take text tool from here, just drag and just make one text frame like this. So now if you want to fill it, right click and fill with placeholder text, okay. Now you will get dummy text inside, or you can use also type and here you can take fill with placeholder text, all right. That's how you can take dummy text in InDesign, okay. Next, what to do? We want to manage this text frame. Actually, this one is text frame, right? So we have separate option to edit this text frame itself. So if you want to edit this text frame, then right click and just take option text frame option, which is called Control B. You can also take this option from object and here you have text frame option Control B, right? So when you click here, so you will get this option, text frame option. In text frame option, first of all, we have general. In general, you can convert this text frame itself into a column. For example, if you click here, now look at here. So you have converted this text frame into two column itself, right? So we are not converting the whole page, whole document. We are working specifically on a text frame only, all right? So here, so you can create also 2, 3, 4, how many you want, you can do it from here like this, okay. So I will convert into 3 for example, all right. So here you have also fixed number of the column and also you can define fixed width, all right. If you have specific size of the page and you want to define the fixed width of one column, then you can also define from here how much you want. For example, I want fixed width exact 2 inches, all right. Now you will see exact 2 inches width you have of each column, all right. Okay, next what we can do, number of column, then we have gutter. Gutter means space between column, you can also adjust. For example, I will put 0.2 inches. Now you will see the space between column will increase, or you can adjust also manually like this, all right. Gutter means space between columns, so you can also decrease from here, all right. And if you want to balance column, if you have for example less text in column, you can do balance column. So all columns will be balanced, will be having equal amount of text, all right. So you can choose this one also, but I will not choose fixed width. Flexible width you can also select. From example, minimum we have 2 inches, maximum you can make it 3 inches, all right. So it will be flexible width, all right. You can do also, but mostly we use with a fixed number. For we have like column here 3 columns and fixed width we have, all right. So you can go with this as well, and you can click balance column, so all column will be balanced as well. Next we have insert spacing. This is most important one, insert spacing. Insert spacing means the space between the text frame and text itself, all right. For example, okay, I will just zoom it. Now here you will see, so this one is text frame and here now you can see the text and the frame are stick together, right, they are attached. But if you will get option Control B, now just click on insert spacing, just change it, for example 0.2 inches. Now you will see the space between text frame and the text itself, okay. In web terminology, what do we say, terminology, yes, in terminology we say padding. In padding, like space between the border and the content itself, right, is called padding. We can change, here we say insert spacing. Click OK, now you can see. Actually it works when you are designing. So we have here text frame, okay. For example, here you are writing heading, all right. Now if you are filling text in this, so I will just go here, okay, and just fill text, right. Now you can see your text is attached with the border, it doesn't look appropriate, right. So what we have to do, we have to do insert spacing. Right click, same text frame option, and from here just change it, insert spacing, like spacing 0.2 like this. It's a lot, so 0.001 right, because we are working in inches. So again we have to change like 0.02. all right, I think it will work like this. So you can change according to the, I think it's better, or you can do 0.01. all right, yeah, or I will go 0.05. yeah, I think it's better. all right, so click OK. Now you can see, now you can use this one. all right, look, it looks nice now, right? So wherever you want to use, you can, no need to have an extra shape from here, right? Before you were just creating one shape, then you were filling it, all right, so it was consuming a lot of time, right? Then you were writing text separate from here, like this heading. So before you were doing like this, so no need to do like this. all right, so what you can do, you can just use a one element like this, and you can use insert spacing to manage space between the border and text itself. Okay, okay, we'll go back and we'll see column. all right, so you can just put it here if you want. Okay, so next we have, for example, I will increase the size, Control Shift Hold. Okay, so this one is heading. Okay, Control Shift Hold. If you want to resize content and containers together, then Control Shift. Okay, I will select this text frame again, then right click and we have text frame option. So here we have seen like how we can add columns and insert spacing. Then we have vertical justification as well. So I will little bit, I will increase. Okay, now I think we have enough space in my text frame. Yeah, it's right. So you can do alignment, vertical text alignment also. Right click, text frame option, and vertical alignment. Top, you can make it center. You see text will move center vertically in text frame. all right, so you can also change from here. Next we have column rule. Column rule means lines between column. Maybe you have studied in Microsoft Word the column between the line between columns. So here we say rule, column rules. If you want to insert column rule, just click here. Now you will see the line will be inserted between columns. all right, we have very less gutter space, that's why it's showing. So we'll increase gutter space. Yes, now you can see the column rule. Now we have here, so from where to start, you can just from here you can, from where to end, just like this. Now you can see the size of the line is trimming from up and down. Okay, so horizontal position you can also change like this. From where you want to keep it, you can change also. The best amazing thing which I like, the stroke, you can change its width, and also you can change its style. Look at there, right? So a lot of styles you have, look, all right. So not only you can change the style, but also you can change its color. Look at here, if you want to change color like this, all right, and the width, look, all right. And also you can change the tint. If you want to make it transparent, you can change this one as well. all right. So this one, the column, in general we use column, okay, how to convert, and column rule as well. all right. Then we have auto size. We use this one also, auto size. Okay, auto size mean, all right, if you have like rotate one text like this, so this, so here you have text. So now you can see your text frame is bigger than your text. If you want to auto resize this text frame, then you can do it. Right click, then here you have text frame option. Go here and just auto size, and how you want to resize it. Height only, look, so height will be reduced, so your text frame will be fit to your text. And you can do width only from here, and you can do height and width together. all right, I will select, for example, height only, it's good for me. And you can minimum height, you can also, if you want, you can adjust from here as well. And you can click, and now you can see your text frame has been resized to your content. all right, so that's text frame option. Then we have text wrapping, okay, in InDesign, which is also most important. So what I will do, I will just place a picture. So I will take, from example, picture placeholder from here, and I will just place picture like this. all right, then I will select file and I will choose place, and So picture will go inside. For example, I have this picture. So I will right click, then fit, and fit frame proportionally like this. Alright. Now I have this picture. I want to wrap text around this image. Alright. So I will reduce size, Control Shift like this. So if you want to wrap text around this image, so you need to go here, text wrap option. So you can see from here in properties panel. Also you can see from ribbon. So first option in text wrap we have, which first is no wrap. The second is wrap around bounding box. When you click here, you will see this bounding box, square box, the text will be wrapped around it. Bounding box is this blue one. If you want this, the most used, we use wrap around object shape, this one. We use this a lot. So you have object shape, so text will be wrapped accordingly. Okay. Okay, then you have next jump objects. Okay, so you will not see left and right, only top and bottom. And from here, jump to the next column. So it will jump to the next column as well. So these options you can use if you want to use. But mostly we use this wrap around object shape. If you want to increase distance, all right, now you see the text is like stick to the border of the image. So same in text frame option. Okay, you have, if it's not coming the option, just click on these 3 dots. Here you can adjust. For example, you can just make 0.2 inches. All right, now you will see the text will be like this. Now you have distance by 2. Now you can see the text and the shape has a gap between. All right, now. Okay, this property is attached with this shape. So wherever you will move, look, okay, look, wherever you will move, look, text will wrap around it. All right, so you can just apply these properties on any object and you can take it anywhere where you want. All right, so that's text frame option and text wrapping and InDesign.